Final is Tuesday today afternoon. Seswami. Wonke umuntu ngiseswami ungibhuti wami because sinesibani labamnyama. Sikacetshwayo namhla finally we supposed ukuthi shoot. Ngihlale ngishootha iBlack Queen esikhathini esiningi ngagcina kudzala kushootha kacetshwayo. Manje sethi ingendo lemshisayo. Hlitweni yakhe wathi no asimele Thursday la siyenda namhla kuyi Tuesday. So finally ula eceleni kwami. Uthi introduce mina ngithanda introduce because kuningi mhlambe into introduce kabi into introduce kahle so ukahle ukuthi umuntu nemuntu at introduce kunjani mama
ngiyaphila njani
I know final is la
yeah kama lami ngimandisa wakangomane
yeah
mara a lot of people they know me as the Swati girl on TikTok.
Oh, okay
yeah
wase Swatini kule Swatini
angisinga seSwatini around la
so manje why Swati girl
I don't know maybe it's because
Swati is different
asikho different
because of the content loyenda
not really
so why Swati girl
khona la bengifundza khona ngala ibush so yabo
yeah
so I was the only Swati girl yabo so yeah
bafuna ukuthi ngibani
selabuya lafika lapho
thina sisimaswati ngala mambayi ngala
mina ngimswati ngiyasikhuluma Swati
hayi wena tosikhuluma uhambe musinawo umhla ka30
angeke ngihamba njani mina
nomswati
mina ngine idea la South Africa
maswati ahamba vele nje so
ibona bahambe mina ngihambe
so dihambisini unema trending videos la khona TikTok as a Swati girl
yes
hey maningi kakhulu itholo ngiwaposta reposta mina self wathi umthathabe noma tani okhuluma so mara mfati wabani ngombe yoba mfati wabani ngi girlfriend yabani because you look chubby so bacabanga ukuthi vele you old and maybe umfati womuntu yabona
no I think lama video amne
yeah
like uyathi ngizingabuthatha ama video ubonakala ngathi umdzala mara ngabe bantu bakubona in person bakubona ukuthi no mncane yeah maybe that's why
ne hey now uyagadla lapha ama video hey maningi kakhulu ashisa the first one lengibe interested kakhulu ukuthi uthi eish bengashayeki lesikhathi ngisasengwala
yo
uchaza kuthini uma usho njalo ukuthi bongashayeki lesikhathi ngisasengwala oh nyalo those wasasengwadla kucala boyingwadla let's talk about that video because bana abaningi bangibute kakhulu ngayo vele baba concern kakhulu ngayo bathi usho kuthini lo sis mara kahle kahle
but whatever that I'm posting it's not based on what I'm going through or whatever
yeah
vele ngathi cabangela nje yabo
mara I don't think there's something like tishile ukukhuluma I don't think ukuthi vele ukhuluma ukuthi bo joker
wena ukhulumela lipi side
ngikhulumela ukuthi bongashayile lesikhathi usakulomuntu loyo nyalo so yashaya that's what you mean
kumbe ungibutela ukuthi have I ever dated someone that has money
uyilo bayingwadla so ubhizi uthola imali na because ingwadla I think is the person ukuthi lo date different type of people I don't know or date umuntu wemuntu angathi kumbe indoda yemuntu whatsoever what yini ingwadla ke sive ku
ingwadla uyafana nemuntu othengisa umphimba just like ukuthi ingwadla
yeah
well known yabo ukuthi bangambuka nomanini ingwadla ngene
those ingwadla kahle kahle ngalama amagama ayisimuntu wemuntu umuntu webantu
yebo umuntu webantu
ubukilo
well known ke ukuthi vele lo ya maybe ujola nebantu labanemali
hayi ukuthi like that person is uyathengisa kahle kahle ngalama amagama
ndina ngayibita njalo ukuthi umuntu usuka athengisa yabo mara lokunye ukuthi
so you once go through that life
no
net nje bushare nje
bengitisherela nje that's why ngithi mina abantu bangabobuka ama post ambangijudge ukuthi maybe I'm going through that no so ukukhulumela nje
ukukhulumela nje general
yeah because vele ngiyathanda ukukhuluma
umuntu okhuluma
yebo ngikhuluma kakhulu
ukahle sinyalo asikhulume podcast asikhulume vele
so
kunalenye futhi la ukhuluma khona ukuthi labo bhudi yabo malulo besibasaba emgwaceni ngasikhula sibasaba abanyalo sebasoma
vele bayasoma shami bayasoma shama and I understand ukuthi labantu lebe besibasaba blind baze basithembise bo-0 noma basibona sidlala la mgacweni
Yeah.
nyalo sebayasoma sebabona ama-cherry lakithi vele
Yeah.
anga-understand ukuthi bona bafika kanjani lapho.
Yeah. So nina nibena kanjani manje labo malume labo nyana?
Hawu kude phela
Sitakucosha.
kude
Manje ma address ukuthi awu malume kanti wena manje wena.
mina ngiyakuchazela vele
Yeah. Ne.
ngiyakuchazela ngiyakutshela vele ukuthi angeke phela ngikhule phambi kwakho
Ne.
wona sobona i-cherry njani.
Awuthatha ushit ne. Se nayi lenye futhi uthi kani why eSavannah bathengisa tshwala lobuship so kani?
Ngamangala that day like it was my first time going there.
Yeah.
Bake bangitshela ukuthi like ne-Savannah so like I wanted to go try it out yabo.
Yeah.
Manje mangifika lapha ngiyafika man ngithola ama-JC Leroux i-6 pack ithi 65 rand.
Yeah.
Beyithi 60 rand kumbe 65 mara
Yeah.
ayindluli ku-60 rand.
Yeah,
And I was like njani.
Yeah, because nabana abaningi besinganotice kutsala because even nalamanye nama club la lapha edrobheni if they are running out of stock at night bayokuthenga lapha eSavannah.
Mara
You know
musi labanye abantu bathi ku-expire lo tshwala.
I don't know. Ngabe ngiva ngawo wena so uvile wakuthenga mina ngazi.
Ngutastile yeah, it was not that bad but then hangover yakhona
Ne.
ngabduba tshwala.
Ngenxa yale ama-JC
Ngabduba mnyanatha mara ngabduba from
that day for isikhathi lesinganani?
I think 2 months. I was like no.
Yeah, no bakushaya cha. Wathatha ongeni
Ngawaqeda ngathenga i-12 pack phela uyakuthi lapho
120.
yebo.
Watsakwa for
Ngatsakwa vele ngatsakwa ngashiya 6 ngathi ngizoyiqedisa ngangayicedzisi.
Ne.
Yeah.
Wabona like mara azange uphinze uye masubuyela futhi etshwaneni lingina ngiyothenga lama JC somewhere else maybe a Cositena or a liquor store connect taste ukuthi the difference.
No, angwathanzi ma JC just that kuthi lapha ngawathola vele aseselini and I didn't have enough money so I had to buy in there.
So ufunze something ngesale kahle from that day ne.
Yeah.
With something as it sale. There's a problem.
Yeah, there's a problem.
So mawuthi wena abantu utiva njani umuntu awamba uqoshisa lo mntwana lo munye umuntu?
No, vele wrong. Yabona lapho shame, yabona leli point lelo wrong because
what was
sonke side emsebentini yakbo and salary leyi-1.
Yeah.
Even if like mina ungibona ukuthi ngiyenza into le wrong,
Yeah.
itaki umuntu ongitshela there's no need ukuthi ungaze wena uhambe above uye ku-management uyobatshela ukuthi mina ngiyende something leso and knowing very well ukuthi ngidependela kuyo le salary leyo.
Yeah.
And it's not like ukuthi wena ungangicoshisa wena isalary yakho itokhuphuka yabo kuyabhora vele.
Talking that thing from experience or what?
No.
Oh, just
Mara someone has been through that that I know.
Okay.
So
it's just in a talk.
yeah, it was just a topic.
No. Hey, money. Now about going back at home. Kuthi noma impilo ngakushaya njani? Buyele ekhaya ungabi nendzawo umuntu uthini?
Yeah. Especially if like you're coming from a toxic relationship.
Yeah.
Vele you must go back home because laphayana angeke uzuthona uhlalele bantu abakho.
Yeah.
There's no way.
Yeah.
Ubona kahle ukuthi umuntu uyak-abuse kumbe umuntu akasakufuni. Angeke mina vele like angeke ngize ngikwende lokho.
Yeah.
Ngihlalele
nonsense.
Ngihlale nendoda ngingasayifuni.
Yeah.
For the sake ukuthi ngihlalele ngihleti nayo because of bantu abami. Angeke
Bekezela phela.
Angeke
Batali bethu bakhule babeketela.
ba right bona stuke new generation. Stuke new generation nyalo.
Are you in a serious relationship as you speak? Because you sound like you're not. You're goish.
I'm goish.
Yeah.
I'm still
looking.
Yes.
What do you mean you're still looking? Can ababuku wena unubuka bona kani? You still looking for them or they still looking for you?
No, angisho kunabo gayile ngihlana nabo yabo. So maybe let's go out for dinner, let's go out for lunch, what yabo. It's that kind of vibes. Yeah. Mara, I'm still.
So when are those people that let's go out? The age group yakho kumbe they are older than you? Because I don't think mangivalete inkulumo takho nje mangibukele TikTok yakho. I don't think you're talking about your same age group.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bakhona nje yabo. I don't understand ukuthi
Okay, by the way, how old are you first? Let's talk about that. 20?
In my 20s. In my late 20s.
Or late 20s.
Yeah.
Oh. But the people that you meet, maybe my late 30s.
Late 30s, yeah.
Nah.
Few
No!
50s. Hey, nangasho ukuthi 50s.
That's a
50s.
Yeah.
Labo babevelela bathanza kusoma.
Yeah.
Mara I'm not there for them.
Yeah.
I'm just there for the money. That's
Yeah.
the problem. Yes.
Oh no, you're supposed to dibuyela wena nya.
Yeah.
The statement sakho sesiyabuyela ukukhuluma.
I'm just there for the money, shame guys.
You love money, ne?
Yes.
Women love money or you love money?
Mina vele ngiyayithanda imali, shame. Once
Oh,
you give me money, I want money.
What for?
Ngingani ngiyatiwa ngimi ukuthi kufuna kuyendani le
No,
mali.
maybe mhlambe leti dzingo lokukhala ngathi mhlambe lesomeone ukuthi kahle kulungise leti dzingo leti mhlambe ngosathi anzimali.
Angeke tize tiphele tidzingo tebafati, shame. One thing about us, tidzingo tethu adipheli.
Namntwana.
Yeah, I do have a child.
Nongakhe.
Ngizapha.
Ngiyabuda.
Angifuni, let's not.
Asikhulumi ngaye, sikhuluma usungangaki kuphela.
Una 5.
Oh, intombazana.
Yeah, it's a girl.
So cause ngani ngikhulumela at this point ufuna understand ukuthi those things that drop ako. Mathi ufika kumntwana yakho phela kufuna sifike nyalo phela, so you need to be different nyalo maso phela umuntu masekamdali so ufuna achinge i-way of living. And you thinking that no phila ukuthi phela nyalo so
I mustn't go to groove.
No, I'm not saying you mustn't go to groove, but ku groove kwakho it needs to be different now. Angeke nyalo bakuthola bathi bakubone what you call bakugibele etafuleni.
I'm not that kind of a mother.
Oh.
Yeah, mina ngiyaba prioritize abantu abamshene.
Ne bandwa.
Ntwana. I'm just saying ukuthi like
Ne. Okay, I know. Naye le uthi yathi nina nimane niyabeketela emjulweni.
Vele madoda afuna tingwadla. Madoda vele afuna tingwadla na ufuna ingwadla.
What do you mean?
Like kuthi phatha kahle nje mina ngibona ngathi kumbe usuke utimoshela isikhathi because umuntu okay mina ngitiphatha kahle nyana.
Oh
And
yeah.
then, I'm just saying ukuthi mina nawe stuke relationship.
Yeah.
And then say mina ngichubeka ngitiphathe kahle wena uhambe ngaphandle ungifunela ingwadla, so it's the very same thing.
Yini ingwadla?
Ingwadla iyafana njengoba ngishite ukuthi iyafana nokuthi umuntu ingoba bani lekuthi uyatiwa vele ukuthi uyadliwa. You give me money, I give you my thing. That's it.
Transaction.
Yeah, bafuna lo.
Ngingwabane le.
Yes.
Maybe that person akasingwabane uhlangahlangene manje nganisene sesisaba ukuthi mangiba nawe ekuseni vele I need to give you something. You understand?
Yeah.
But uhlangahlangene ufuna umuntu straight umuntu loyo. Bathola kamtholo umuntu loyo because nathi majide mhlawumbe masihleli emaphondeni ukuthi awu intombazana sesiwazi ngivele ngayishaya lelo langa ngithole lelo langa le ngayipha whatsoever amount. Nabo bantu bafika ngale mentality leyo nawo sogcine so kanibona ukho lapho bongekho lapho at all. But ngenxa yokuthi abantu seba approach ngendlela lenjalo nawo sogcina uba njalo. Sethi describe ngokuthi uyingwabani.
Angeke shadile mina nawo.
No,
So ilandza lomunye umuntu.
Not ngikhuluma etu yokushaya.
Mina ngikhuluma lento yokushaya. Uthi sesibana sidiphathela mahala.
No, I think sometimes tuwethu indoda ema marriage angaze ngishade ne but ngeke ngahlala nebantu ayibantu 2 yebantu ya empilweni yami as but bengathi ka more than 6 months yabo. So I think sometimes wena self mamuntu ufuna uthathe into loyifunayo, you understand? So in order umuntu maketa ku approach uyathi wena ukuthi ufunani kumbe wena mom approach uyathi ukuthi ufunani, you understand? If le akulapha kule specs up yakhona kuphikisana but mangekho lapho kule specs up uphakamisa tanje uthi hey angemkhona. You understand? It's one of the things that let's do now because ukubona nyalo gorgeous and whatsoever umekahle cares everything. I need to think ukuthi if sengibona ukuthi ufuna sakhe ifuture mina now ufuna uyobuka mako wakho ubuke behavior sekhaya kini ubuke ukuthi ukhona babe why ababo wakho ngibuke mako wakho in future ukuthi uyoguga abesona umuntu wami senginayo, you understand? And ufuna konke lokho ukukwamukela but if wena ungakhona ukukwamukela lokho ngibuke kwanyalo those vele angeke ngimthathe for because sine greed sometimes nani in greed not is greed ngibona ukuthi bakusonga abantu abaningi ba greed ngiyakuthatha ngiyakubeka la kanti wena vele ufuna umuntu ukuthi ufuna ukuhlaliseka kanti mangisuka mina ngena njani nginamsangano wami you understand because masocala uyatala uba different amantombazane lamaningi aba different masocala kuyada you understand so bang akusasi nge taste
the way bombona ngakho
first time yabo so that's why sogcina solanza lo munye kanti that's wrong.
Yeah, I think nelokutiyekela amadoda nako ngiko lokubayenda ukuthi babachithele cobo yathi
lokutiyekela kunini nini bafati. You know bengihlala nalomimi nomzala ngihlale angikhulisa about simo se ngifuna sibuye ne polygamy ngibonele le lona ya trend yabo but ngisengayibukelanga but sengivile ama clip lamaningi lo muntu umzala ulapha kule simo leso se polygamy futhi is a traditional healer ne you talk about ukuthi gonna those days back umfati bungalali naye every day empedini. Why first umfati umudi nawe ndende ikhathi uma usemalangeni everything lefana naleyo uletha pass wena umuntu futhi kakhulu umuntu spirituality yabo ucetha amandla akho uma kasemalangeni and nale ukuthi umuntu sekatalile umla sombona khona lo muntu everyday ukukhumulela kugcokela nanani the first time uqala kumbona bengasi shapeless mama sekatalile so uqala kuba shapeless ubona neminanga leyo unnecessary understand because lo lesikope belungini esikhathini esiningi sikope tukubelungu sayithatha sayenda ngathi siyethu abantu abamnyama kanti bengathi yethu abantu abamnyama lo manje kuba neligumbi lapha laphana nebantwana uhlala nebantu abakhe babo beneligumbi lakhe lapha you understand make bambita bamkhandukile angene ikhona uyamkela
because lena mangeke shame
that's why basithatha basifati kuma forum lelisuku lebantu abamnyama laphela makwakho uyamove mama mkurumbisa but kusala bongakwathi lo ukuthi papa mntwana bebakutshela ukuchama kathi ueloprane vele bo understand because bonga understand vele usikwendekalana because make na baba ukazi ngabone boyithu nange single mistake that's why bewuthi mabasi bokubitela papa vele uyabona ngiyishuka ngiyalibasi bokubitela papa awumsami ngoba mama umtshele scrap itona you understand so it's one of the things thina lesilimata about those things you understand do you wish kuba to a polygamy
as long as kunemali.
But there's one thing we need to know. When uthanza imali kumthanza relationship.
That's why ngithi mina isithembu angisifuni mara ngathi thola ngithi kwesithembu it's either le ndoda inemali because I don't take bullshit. That's a problem.
What kind of bullshit you talking about?
Ngile ukuthi nyalo okay let's take nyalo. Ngihlangana nemuntu. Uthi like kimi yena ubelieve la kwesithembu and then say mina ngitoba ngimamncane unamamkhulu endlini
umbona umamkhulu whatsoever
angeke ngize nguvume lokho not unless this guy has money and mina ngiyathatha ukuthi namkhona la ngodliwa khona
why because imali ikhona phela itholile phela
imali ikhona
awukazi ukuthola konke as a combo konke khambe
angeke shem nami ngisho ukuthi ngidokhona umuntu lentombadala to satisfy me.
Why don't you buy those things adult shop?
No, I want the real one.
But the real one it cause a problem.
Because
you get the money, you get the money that you want. Because maybe after 3 months, baby, my office I get to buy your budget. So I know, baby, no, I'll take you to Dubai.
Yeah, I'm gonna get guys from Dubai to fuck me.
Oh come on, that's when I got that. When you want money, you want also a guy that's gonna be next to you every time.
Yeah, bo.
Okay, you find money, you find a guy that's next to you every time, but I can satisfy empathy. Send and Jan. Because sometimes it's complicated, guys.
As complicated.
Because undoubtedly, angeke ukuthole konke at once as a package. It's highly impossible. A guy who has time, that guy doesn't have money. The guy who fucks you nice at bed, agana money. Unesikhathi sonke sakho lesifunayo but wena ufuna imali umtholile lo muntu lokwenda kamnanzi unesikhathi sakho uma conversation nokucoca everything ku sweet kumnanzi apha endlini ufuna imali lo onemali akanako konke lokho kumqondo yakho akanasikhathi akakwendi kamnanzi empedeni so wena njani
mina I don't mind like dating a broke guy. I don't mind
because
like ngile ngajola nemuntu lo broke
Yeah.
one of the brokest guys that I've ever dated
Yeah.
was Limpopo. The sex was so
Miss
nice.
Ka-
Like I didn't even matter.
Yeah.
Like it didn't even matter ukuthi akanalutho. Yabona
Yeah.
yeah.
I think mhlambe lapho bosakhula ayikho bosakhula.
Bengicabangela mina.
So what went wrong ngale relationship leyo?
Ngagcina ngabona ukuthi naye uyafana na Jonas. Cabanga uJohn unganamali.
Angayibukelanga le polygamy due to ukuthi ngibona ngathi seba expose indoda abantu abamnyama kakhulu. Thina abantu abamnyama si expose indoda kakhulu efuna tibe secret ngenxa yemali. Yabo because those whites bazirule thina. You understand? Titori abantu abamnyama leti but la ma Netflix indoda belungu. But belungu aba exposed indoda the way abantu abamnyama bavumela ukuthi expose.
Yeah, that's why.
So that's the reason ngipisa off ukuthi ngiyibukele lento. Mangiyiva nje babeyicoca nami. I know isemlomeni webantu wherever like khona but it's not for me.
That's why nebantu base America like abroad ba noya ba reactile shame but yo abakazi babone into leso.
Yes. Yeah, ngiyeva bathi ishaye 80 le. Mhlaba wonke worldwide. No, siyabonga but mina the way sing understand ngakhona imini. Mina ngeke ngikhona expose into efana nayo. Kufanele ukuthi ngiyabekise mina ngibe tu polygamy, you understand? Bang offerishe and it was like le polygamy yami ayikuthi siphila the way bengifisa ukuthi siphile ngakhona but siyahloniphana, you understand? Sekuchamuka someone achamuke ne story athi mina ngifuna kubhala libhuku ngani ekhaya. Lo miyathi mina ngifuna kwenta ngesnow. Kwala endlini. The moment mase sicala sikhuluma ngawo ngaphandle saying something else, you understand? Yes. I know ukuthi lento bayikhuluma ko ikhona vele yendeko, you understand?
Yeah,
but dengihlonipha isasikhona yithi bantu abamnyama sisahloniphisa. You understand? Mfana nokuthi bathi fake gobelas, fake sangomas, you understand? Lokuthi bayitelevise lento le, why is exposed into so? Why is ngabe nenhlangano yako konke lokusikhuluma ngako uma ukuthi kuphumela inini? Why is keep esintu sethu kabuhlungu so? Why is keep buthine bethu ngabuhlungu so?
Mara lento le yayendeka vele letinye tindzawo akusiyela eSouth Africa.
Yes, but abayikhiphi kudlapha so njengasina abantu abamnyama. That's the thing lenkhala ukuthi yabona imali kwenda ugcina wenda lama wrong decisions sometimes.
Uphinza ukhohle nalomuntu lo wavuka naye.
Ngani uthi nangibhuti sekugcina bangijona. Ugcina bangijona se broke Jonas.
Yebo cabanga shem.
Oh what? Ngiyuru kwaphisa off ngalo.
Ngathi sola shem like bangani babahlale bangibuza ukuthi
ungene ngani?
Umngene ngani?
Wena ubumngene ngani? Beside the bad thing, yini iyakujabulisa na Jonas wakho?
Maybe it's because of the sex. Yeah.
Beside lokho phela before ngani uqala ukubona ukuthi laphana kufika embedeni. Yini leyo maka approach yini liyaheha phela.
I don't know. And phela akekho muhle. Akekho.
He's just a guy.
Yeah, he's just a guy.
So his sex was different.
Yeah.
How? Because a sex that different mean lona ngithi kuya ngeconnection, community, communication. Mina mangi analyze mina ngimjida mina sayidini nami. You understand? Because lo Jonas loyo wakho angasuka aye to your friend. Athi friend ngani yini ngani ngaka lebo uthi wena kuyahanjwa lapha.
Kuya maybe ngemuntu.
That's why ngithi mhlambe nayo lento leyo isiya ngeconnection kume njalo. I understand lento leyo kuwe phela kuwe on your side on your Jonas.
Yeah, maybe nami ngoyendeka kanjalo. It's like
the connect.
Yeah, we had a connection.
Some communication.
Somehow. Yeah.
So the communication yagcina iba breakdown because uyachita Jonas.
Yo man. Ngafuna nekhala shem.
Azangikhale.
Angizange
ngikhale. Because
no,
if uyivalela kakhulu enhlipweni yekulimata in long run, you know that.
Ngikho sengaphuma kuye.
Ngisho ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Like yakuthi mina ngihila different like
yeah, they say women they heal different.
Yeah, mina ngihila different shame because like already ngiba naleyo ukuthi kuyafana sekwentekile sibuthe into nami lento change. Ngikhansela njalo mina.
So ayikuthi nihila ngokuthi suke khona lo munye umuntu uphinde uchitha naye at the same time.
No.
So that person makes you ukuthi ugcine ukuthi no more broke guys.
Yeah, it's like yabona even if ungasettle down nemuntu lo broke utokumbarasa vele ngiloko lokubona vele ngisho ukuthi so hamba uyojola yabona and nalethi ntombi takhe asangihloniphi yabo ingabhora ngiloko vele
Yeah, no, that's bad. Yini lengaka le wayenda wajona nemngani wakho wajona nemuntu omatiko
hayi bekajona vele around laphayana amantombazane athenda nawo.
oh from school
Yeah, not one labaningi.
so wena wamthola jola kumbe wamthola ngajoni
I don't know.
you don't know no?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe it's one of the things nayi le video yakho ukuthi umhleba njani lomnye umuntu ukuthi uwile mara ungakazi
Yeah, mara vele like umhleba njani umuntu ukuthi uwile wona ungakazi uvuke. That's one thing.
I think mhlawumbe kusuka ngasinhlebo nethi bekuyi conversation nethi lo muntu lo besikhuluma ngaye wena olibhayi iface kuye sewena kwabonakala sikuyinhlebo kathi besikhuluma nje general you understand ngiyabekisa nje ukuthi lo muntu lo muntu loyo ubhayi iface lo muntu loya ngokuthi uthi nyoni uthi inkosana wena so but akazi ukuthi besikhuluma general ukuthi no siyambona ukuthi the way the step lo hamba ngaso le pace lo hamba ngayo ungahle ube broke one day and sinesikhuluma so vele siborekile sihleli doing nothing and siyafisa kuba nguye lo muntu uyana singena ukuthi sifise lempilo leya silungisela ama mistake leyo wena because ngani ma coach uhlala lo ubuke lapha you understand neplan so why angaphasi sona na but bamba mfile background udlala ibhola le wrong nathi mase sinikele lithuba lakhe ukuthi isivuka senda times 10 ama mistake leyo wendile you understand so that's the reason umuntu usimaka sekafike na ikhuluma uyikhuluma ngale indlela akazi ukuthi sine besithi uthi lo bekahleba athi because if ngihleba kufuna ngitsho so hayi ndoda mina ngikuthanda ukukhuluma ngayo sirabe off vele ukuthi you understand singidoda uqhubekela ngenkani yami so what makes you ukhulumela statement leso
oh man
ngilovuka so babroke
angazi ngawe
awukazi uvuka
angazi ngivuke
uhlela ustandard so
ngihlele ngiso
amhlambe kuvukile phela
maybe ngike ngavuka I don't know yeah maybe ngavuka ngawo
ngibonga se away
somewhere there
ne
yes
uthi wena nyalo you're not dating but lana there's a video which say imagine a pink thing like me anga date amaruzi wena nyalo awu date
neshem ngiyajola kujola mara ngangikutshela ukuthi ujola kanjani umjolo wami unjani
transition
yes
so those you're not dating one person
I am dating one person shem
okay how labe sakhulumile kanti lena nto bengikhuluma ngayo kanti bengisengayilalelanga ukuthi beyibona ukuthi Dubai ngizabe sithini hey yeah so this person to date naye ubukana ne2 phela kumbe une
angimathi because ukuthi une family
yeah ukuthi phela
mina what I know ukuthi akanamfati akana girlfriend ujola nami
akanamntwana akanamntwana
kurongini
so yena every time mani makhona mani manoyi2 he give you money at the end of the day
no akusho ukuthi
kumbe une monthly allowance nizini bakuthi uthini konje yini girlfriend allowance
hayi wena manikosana shem yazi yini
no I want to know
angifuni ukuthi sikhulume ngaye
sikhuluma nje oh your man is very private
my man is very private
oh when you're not private yena he's private
yeah yena he is private
no ngifuna understand ukuthi yena une girlfriend allowance na okay hayi ya no ngekuva uthi makukhala icilongo ufuna ngithole senzakiwe liphi icilongo
hawu ngani beste kutoba mnyama ukhumbula beste kutoba mnyama nini somewhere this year but kutoba mnyama
so nina ufuna nithole ngizakiwe
ngcono ukuthi njengoba thina sithandzela tshwala ngcono vele sithole nepause la sitohlala khona sinathe ntshwala.
So what about the Bible about bantu baphika ngeBhayibheli and kanti bathi kahle ukuthi baphika babhaca ngalo kanti into yabo
no vele abantu baya pretend shem especially labantu lobabona bahamba baye emasontweni ngibo laba pretenda kakhulu banemono kanti inhliziyo letibi
wende kaleni empilweni yakho uzokhuluma lo ube nje nedwe uyayibuka from a distance ubeyiqabanga
like ngiyakhona mina ku-analyze umuntu ukuthi lo vele umuntu lo so yabo.
You go to church
Yes, I do go to church.
if you had time. If you're not babalaza, or every week you go to church.
Not every week. Mara ngiyaye esontweni.
Sonda week.
How?
Emaziyonini, emazayonini,
Emaziyonini.
masini amachaweni.
Emaziyonini.
Ngabe khona lapha ushaya sibhuqo khona ngabe sikubonile uthanza kuposta so ngabe sesibonile
Na ijoyini
ngabe sesibonile siguqo futhi esonweni ufuna ngabe sebakubhenile nemaziyonini ngabe sebakucoshile
bayongibhena kanjani nkosana
mababona lamalona
nabafika njani tasangithi mina bangangijaji ku social media lapha yakuthi nethi ngiyadlala
yeah phela people they take it too personal
bangayithatha personal bafika njani lapha
oh you know that uthi umncane wena kujelwa nendoda lelinyana litinyo phambili
ha beka kuphi yena za beka yelani
uthi accident
angeke vele ngize ngijole nendoda ledeltinyo leyo vele ngiyala kuyo hayi likuleltinyo
yeah so if you say if you get caught kuba iside chick ungabe iside chick leli libele
ungabe iside chick leli libele
ngibe iside chick leli libele
iside chick leli libele lokuthi akadimandi ekube nomkhwapha njalo
una demand isikhathi
lokho sa demand nemali ya demand etinto ngathi mina ngifuna lokho sangentela phela ngize ngibe iside chick lethulile mina vele ngingathola indoda vele leni emfati angangende lutho
akwazi udate umuntu nemuntu wena
oh yangi mara bangigijimisa
agijimisa kule muntu wakhe sozona lo phela kusinzanga yakho umuntu omtsala inzanga yakho
ngumfana ngathi ngo96
so lo muntu yakwazi
uyabathi abantu basebakhaya ukuthi bakhula kanjani ngisho kusho ukuthi kuloko ama arrange whatever
relationship
yebo
bamyendele from ekhaya
and then I dated this guy he's a taxi driver yabo manje bangijola naye lo taxi driver kaza kangitshela ukuthi unemfana
okay
mina sengiva ngebantu like i-roommate yami so uyangitshela ukuthi hayi wena uyathi ukuthi lo mfana lo wathi unemfati around la ngithi unemfati
yeah
unemfati nebantwana mara labanye abantwana unabo ngaphandle yabo so I'm like ngambuda vele guy ukuthi instead yokuthi angitshele iqiniso wangishaya makaqeda kungishaya wathi lakini siyahamba nyelo siyobhuka solala imagine
lo muntu already sokucala licala ufuna ukuqhubekisa lecala tukelicala leli
yebo and lo mfati akhe wathitshela ukuthi maybe mina lo guy ngimdlisile and bengasenjalo
no that guy no man already ufuna ngabe sokukhuluma iqiniso ngiyakushaya
yebo
kusino baby bengithi ngidokutshela because bisinema complication ngani mana kuyenge nje
yebo mana ngeke ene
marena
wesiphathi wafika washana lo mfati wakhe futhi lekuthi wangigijimisa
no violence
yebo
so that day nalala na Gangnam Style kuthile navuke ekseni ngoba yini
we didn't have sex that day
so manje wakhambiselana
nje ukuthi maybe bekafuna kungivikela ngoba uyamati mfati wakhe ukuthi uyahlanya
bahlanya boyithu cause naye uyahlanya naye manje
it's a long story
so nahlukana from that day
azange sihlukane bekangafuni
wena ngifuna kuva wena phela kuyingayi kuya ngawo
mina bengifuna vele kuhlukana naye
so wena bomsaba ukuthi ungahlukana into kushaya futhi
angathi kumbe nambe ngisadlisiwe understand shame
because realize into leyiwani once ngathi ungabantu kwe toxic relationship abusing one relationship ngathi uya enjoy but ngile ngadate nemuntu onjalo mase sicala kukhuluma singishaye ngizimsukani isuke lapho uthi ngikushaya kani ngoba ngazi ngikushaya you understand so wangitshela ukuthi no yena ujwayele umuntu wakhe ukuthi lebe date naye icala vele busima mase kucala leti inkulumo leti ufuna kube ayusina ubuso mhlawumbe so enjoy lokho phela abanye isikhathi mina ithatha drama phela le ngina manje text wathi kulanza mngani ungidonsa ngehappy fake emotweni ngoba
ngene sisuka sifuna ukuxoxela labangani bethu ukuthi
wangiyazi wangitrapa neyithanza lesinye isikhathi le relationship
Akati shem.
Ngikhulumela wena le part yakho ne taxi driver ukuthi you like that part.
No. Mara if like bengadi ne ukuthi like unomfazi bengengize ngijone naye.
Ne.
Yeah, mina umuntu ngiyam respect because angeke wathi ukuthi umuntu ugeza ngani yabo.
But ngani umuntu akutshela siyo no mina nemuntu wami sima
angize
running through divorce or whatever.
Hawa akukho lokho. Madoda ayengana lo yavele wangiyenga lo ukuthi nami ngaze ngamthemba. Kuthi bekade akutongicheck every day. Angilethele nemapizza like randomly.
Yabo usikhathi endlini kubalanga.
Bengingakwazi lokho.
Ngiyabekisa.
Yeah.
So uthi wena kanti sekufuna size silale nabo bani ukuze sithole umsebenzi.
Vele kuze sisitole nabo.
Izaba nini apply kakhulu sola ngithole manje.
Mina vele ka government shame am sure bayangathi nekungathi nebuso bami bayabathi. Apply mara government yathi imali yakhipha yathi ma post.
Yeah.
Mara already say yathi
ukuthi yokuqasha
bobani laba qualified le loya
lama post ona la.
Sebamane bayakhipha nje.
Ne. What's in the comrade? You know the comrade? We are voter. Our voters will comrade. Mas nyala vranga sabaqashana njalo. Awudedela blood. Umukilo udedela blood. Lo muntu waphinza disappoint. Kumbe kukwile wafika lesimo lokuthi kuna comrade thizeni niyamaka kuzivela uyafakana lana ngifuna ukubala bo comrade magama akho. Sebese wathi I know udedela blood utothola umsebenzi kile wafika ukuthi ufana naye. Ingafika
angeke
angeke ne
from what I know.
What do you know?
La
What do you know?
There's a lot that I know.
I'll mention magama abantu but what do you know?
There's a lot.
This woman ngifuna uxwayisa boseswethu uxwayisa umntwana wakho for future. Phela this podcast is asikhuluma sincede abantu.
Umuntu nemuntu utotibonela
no ungathi umuntu nemuntu azangcunzele wengcunza ngakhona mhlambe lo munyanga ngcunza afe ke so when are you going to be happy about that ukuthi and yathi lento yabe ngiyathi ngabe ngayicwayisa lela langa
hayi
uthi noma ungaba score ngakanani the fact mina umatana tsanza imali
yona umuntu angahamba yojima
yena ufuna jime financial
hawulo bangajima nje ujimela ini
kwendeka leni yini once dated a tough guy and he was broke or what?
No.
Awuneji
uyakucela nje
hey sifuna singajimi guys sifuna sibe tiny as we can but it's quite masipali uthi mshwala usiwethu sonke some of us we need to drink siphuze nje yakwenza bemjolo ngathi ilimatile ne
ayikangilimati inzabe yemjono because ngiyalo ngiyajona nomuntu oyi-right maybe ukuthi la bengibathola nje ngiyalo shama ngiditholele umuntu o-right naye ngingamathi ukuthi uyentani mara akakazi angikhombisi
ne so niyafika lapho le part ukuthi baby ngifuna settle down ngihlale nawe and everything or you know when you're not ready mhlambe unokuyifaka le proposal not
yeah yena uyakhuluma lokho because uthi kama late status akhe yabo
so when you're not ready
I am ready because like I think he's going to be a great husband akathanza imsindo
wena uthanza umsindo vele ibalance njalo equation negative nibuhlangane nepositive
yeah
hayi ma positive la ethu kwande spark phela endlini ahlale la let's hope ukuthi mase mhlambe so kufile isikhathi leso angangitshintsha because lama imani mantshintsha
bayatshintsha
songena endlini uthi la abakeketsako waye bakeketse kani bangafani itandla tabo
na phela labantu laba eva bamhlophela so buso bumhlophela uthola itandla timnyama thu
kanti nisuka nifakani kanti mase ningasafani
angathi ukuthi nabo basuke sebafika kanjani lapho ngoba lento kumbe lento babatshela ukuthi bagcobisa buso yini angathi kumbe ibhaliwe lapha ngaphandle ukuthi igcobisa buso kuphela
uyakeketsa wena yeah so that's the reason khuluma so ngobona bayakekeze kuyabakosa phela
mara ne angeke phela ukekeze buso mara mtimba bemnyama
kuyendeka lo angabe sikusuku kwendeka leni
babagcobisa konke nalamadolo lawo anganicebi
phela lapho phela ngani so itoba expensive accommodate ubuso phela for 2 months maybe.
Oh. So wena prefera kuba mhlophe la ebusweni? That's why basihlekisa ngebelungu la.
Appear ngani ngebuso vela. Appearing la.
That's why batosihlekisa ngebelungu la bashem.
Uthi nemjida lebesebenza emoshara. Lo mjida lo bathi lesinye isikhathi kunokungena tidumbu. Bathola le muntu agcina avuka la phakathi emoshara and bathi hey angeke lokho nasale semcimba la. Ukuyijona nemuntu osebenza emoshari.
Ngabukela lenye podcast.
Okay.
Bebam interviewer this guy.
Yeah.
Uthi wayekela la yabo. So wakhuluma ukuthi kodwa mntwana ngathi bekana 7 or 8 somewhere there. Makafika lapha lo mntwana bekasaphila yabo because uthena bekasebenza I1 that day. Yeah. So bathi police yalapha yakule moshara. Ithi nanoma umuntu angafika like maybe avuke lapha kose bamcethisa. So thena wayekiliswa ngiloko ukuthi lo mntwana weva buhlungu.
Wamcethisa manje.
Angathi
shukusho.
Angathi.
So uthi wena labanye abantu bamane baphila ngokuthi nisaba kuboshwa.
Yeah, labanye abantu bayadzelela. Thina mina vele mina sayidlamne if benginesibhamu. If benginesibhamu.
Mbona unethi crash uyashayana?
Ngishaya ngimele la.
Oh sorry. Ngicathi
if benginesibhamu.
Yeah.
And bathi mawuthi ubulala umuntu uye ejele. Ngoba baningi lengibachithile.
Those maningi abantu babulela. Alana guys ngathi lubabe kufuna ukugqoba lo manje. Toba senkingini.
Angeke into lo muntu wamangenzi ngimbulale shem. Mina ndoda noma ngingayithola ukuthi yangijithela ngicabanga ukuthi nginga-act angikaze vele ngize ngi-act.
Ne. Uyabeketela.
Angibeketeli ngiyaphuma kuwo.
Oh.
Yebo.
Yo.
Obviously nanoma ngingathi mina nyalwa. Sasiyophinda ubuyele futhi. Ulandzele omunye lo wenza.
Yeah, but ufuna ukubeketela.
Yonke
Yonke impilo is all about ukubeketela.
Angeke shem.
Those wami ngisebenza because nasemsebenzini kunjalo.
Yeah, emsebenzini ngidobeketela mara ukuthi ngibeketelele indoda umntwana lomunye make.
Why ubeketela emsebenzini because nakhona uba abuse noma umntwana lo muntu.
Umsebenzini wasilalana
ngikhulumela kulalana ngikhulumela ukuthi
emsebenzini siyakosebenza sonke.
Mhlambe ngani lo sinye kasi boss yakhe treat somehow ngani.
Ngitoyitshela. Ngitoyichazela ukuthi
uthi laba labajola nemadoda ebantu bajabulisa ukuthi indoda yelo omunye umuntu ayifonele ijampe. Usho ukuthini la?
Bengikhulumela lisadle ukuthi like kunalabanye bafati nelabajabulisa kubona labanye bafati balamanye madoda.
Yeah.
Bangakaphathe kahle maybe let's take mina.
Yeah.
Ngijola nawe wena unemfati.
Yeah.
Mina ngizozama by all means ukuthi lo mfati wakho angathi yakubona kuloko ngikhulumela lisadle lokho ukuthi ku wrong. Fihleka.
But ayikuthi nathi madoda ngithi sikunika nini le power ukuthi ugcine sokungasakhona ukufihleka nawo.
Yeah, sometimes vele nginimadoda because wena mawunami ufika ukhulume ngemfati wakho kabi.
Yes. Yeah, no, it's really bad because I think I don't know and I don't wish ukuthi sengiyabekisa sengiba settle down nemuntu wami sengihamba ngiyochitha. Kuchitha mhlambe lengingazama ukuthi ngiyakwenda ngisingahloniphisa. Manje ukuthi ngikutholile lapha angikwadi. Umile emgwaqweni uyathengisa. You understand?
Yeah.
I do that ngiyashila. Because madoda uhlala madoda, understand?
But
ngiyanyisa le but nakhona ukuthi udonsa lesinye spirit. I don't know what do you believe in. I'm a spiritual person. Udonsa lesinye spirit lesitongena la endlini. Si divide nje la endlini kube divide and rule. Lo. Because lokuthi ngithatha inamba yakho futhi nje lokunye nje nako ngokwako nje. Sekuba ngiloko nalo. Uthi nemuntu lo uyakuzonda mara leso sikhathi yena appearance yefish. Usho ukuthini?
Hayi.
Usho ukuthini? Angeke. Usho ukuthini? Awulala amanyongo uyachazela ufuna uyichaza.
Why ngichazele?
Dosu ubuka njengefish kumbe ubuka njengefish.
Phela mina angisuke mangiyakutshela ngisho ukuthi mangiphosta ngisuke ngicabangela ngisho ukuthi umuntu makatshela ukuthi ngikhuluma naye akafutheke. Ngisho ukuthi vele ngikhuluma nawe why kuhle wona lenzaba. Sho ukuthi nawe vele uyathatha ukuthi ne appearance ekulook ifish.
Oyokunuka ayokubuka njengefish. Neba nabantu kanje ngefish vele. angeke phela ikhulumile lo ngaya amadoda nje must nani because sinikwa njengefish what makes a woman anikwe njengefish mara
ngingazithanzi maybe hygiene wise or sleeping with multiple guys yabo like uma intombatana kosi ukuthi clean
ne phela kulesinye isikhathi ngani uyakade ukuthi clean leti into tena ama cosmetics ayadura sinkathi usakana mali
besides no akhona ama herbs uvela at steam uhlala phansi kwelibhakethi mawude elibhakethi uhlala ngidobona la ukuthi uhlala ku
did you once go to a sangoma and ngicela shema ibheka mina umuntu wamabheke mina you want to go to a sangoma ukuthi ukwenza wena
angazi nayo delisa
oh you're not believing in sangomas uthi wena noma ungavula 360 degrees inyawo empedeni indoda iyohamba iye kulokuvula 180
leyo vula
80 degrees
kunjalo vele am I lying?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe yabona that's why kusilekile into kuya nge-maturity ukukhula komuntu, understand? Yeah, ukukhula kwakho uma umuntu empilweni ukuthi sengifikela kule stage leso, understand? Sengamane usilo muntu engisingiphikisana naye sengifuna kwakha naye ekhaya yena a-offering, you understand? But if you believe in God, if you believe in your ancestors, umuntu uyamcela. You don't just take a person nje out of the blue ngoba uthi wena muhle kumbe ukufensile kumbe nifensene or whatever or unemali. Uyamcela umuntu mase ufuna ukuba settle down uhlale phansi, understand? How let's say nanyalo nemntwana lo yi-1 ne ngithi mina umuntu lengifisa ukuba nemntwana naye wesithungu umuntu sengimtengile isifiso sami leso and ngiyasicela, you understand? Because no baby mama nani ne drama man. Yes, no baby daddy, ne drama sometimes, you understand? Yes. Uthini ngaleyo about the drama?
Mina nginayo baby mama drama.
You don't have. Ne. Angasati. Ngabe sibuthi
anginayo shame. Labo ante abantu abamshemba ngantshela anginayo baby mama drama. Uthi bantu basebambe sakudzala abantu bacabanga ukuthi basathengisa umtimba kuphela phakathi H2 abayela kula maclub la straight kunekana ama club ina line sport ngona ama club la line sport umtimba
ama club ina ayi musla ama club ina line sport basekuthengisa nemadots athengisa tibuni
after 9 ukuzona iyenteka
mina bengicasa badlala because this past few weeks bengiba nema gays even ama interview about gays. Shout out to gays. No, izinja zami lezi. Ayi bayakhuluma. Kuthi labo bhuti ebusuku
bayatshintsha vele.
Sila bafuna lama gay kumbe bafuna labantu labanemali. Because ngiyalo ngathi I don't want to mention the name of this club which say it trendile ukuthi majidala amaningi lapha after 9. Labantu abaningi labanemali lapha adlala majida.
Ngicela pipi ngicabanga
ngifuna uyibale le imali edlala ngethi imali lapha lapha le moto tokudura khona ngoba ukade mina nomntwana wafaka i video ku TikTok wathi wabala le club legama le club wathi wathi umuntu wakho angaya lapha le club leya lesinye isikhathi you need to be careful ngoba uthi masekenda I love lapho move wathi ngala move uthi uthola ukuthi kani naye kanti bampenetrate. What have you experienced about the clubs in sport?
There's a lot happening there.
Yeah.
Yo, good
touchy. Asibali club. Asibali.
And la club ukuthi ane private
room.
Kunema kunema private
closet.
Yeah.
Private what?
Phakathi inside the club.
Private what pen?
Private
rooms.
For
what?
I don't know.
How do you know that but you don't know?
Mina I know Angish because I've never been there.
Okay, I'm a private places but I understand that thing.
Maybe let's take politicians bayaya laphaya na babita amantombatane labafuna bona.
Labathola phakathi club
labathola lapha mara already I think lama club lawa ne babita maybe 4 mantombatane bathi ngathi babanathisa tshwala bamahala
okay
sebathi kunasomeone leka tota namuhla so
Yeah.
cela kunibhukha lokunoyi-4
Yeah.
chamuke nihambele lapha kunivume la whatever
Yeah,
ngokuthi
yeah,
bakutangane yeah
Sebese konekelani babe sexual ngale kubo.
ngicabanga ukuthi baba sexual
Nedi-
nethi baqala nabo banathe and then afterwards bayahamba
Bawashila bama nabantu batana.
yeah
Angaze ngibone le room.
mara ukeze weva
No, mina ngathi ukuthi isikhathini esiningi vele kuyathengiselwana lapha isikhathini esiningi.
Mhm.
Yeah, you give me, I give you. You
Yeah.
understand? Because even nalama promoters la kakhulu ngiyula
Nama
indlela
hotels,
le.
ne? Yeah.
Yeah, those promoters aba promoter the club because la majida lamaningi la promoter the club abanebucheri babo schemes abucheri. Understand ukuthi baya ukuthi laba schemes abucheri ababanathisa every time, you understand? The more bathola a newcomer bayithengisa njalo njalo. You understand? Njalo kuba njalo. Nalama promoters emajida bayabhanyulwa lapha.
yeah
Mina ngive njalo because there's one guy wakhuluma ngena ngane daza ngafuna siyifake kulona ne. Angibani magama angibali lenzawo nana.
yeah
Uthi this guy has a farm. You understand? Outside of Nelspruit. Has a farm. Bantu babhuka lenyelanga iviki lonke. Lomjida abo business ngabo le abafana. That's the reason you'll see them wearing Gucci's ungathi basebenzana baphatha ama iPhone la ugcina bo 25 more than 30,000. You understand? Uhlala eflatini nomuntu. But awukazi uve ukuthi there's a project like business ngayo lo mjida business ma project na but awukazi ukuthi ugijimela le out project like next. We always find him available as possible. But yena udrive amakari la usothenga ikari yakhe nesotekile nomfato wakhe nanani but you find out mawuthi ulenzelela story sakhe but ipromoter lapha eclubini but you le lifestyle yakhe ayihambisani nalo msebenzi akwendawo awukazi uve but you can see ukuthi those promoters the life abayiphilako every week unatha ama champagne every week uposta kumahlelo etinywane every week usesentini uyithosa up le mali ngakho but uhlala i-12 flat abo more than 10,000 rand per month because ngani nginethi ithwala bathi nginethi ithwala uthi zini ithwala ifuna amajida nanani that's why ngithi mina bathi ibani bacini that's why mina amagay akhuluma bathi hayi camera bakhuluma lo outside of camera bathi ziyakhala
yeah neziyabuye Nelspruit
did you ever dated a guy lokuthi uyambona ukuthi lo muntu lo no uyangisinza ngathi uthwele kumbe whatsoever uyangisinza lo muntu lona imali yakhe ingalenye indlela nabo bonke uyathusa nje impilo yakhe nje iyathusa nje angabe singabekisela njani mhlawumbe ufuna every time akafuna mhlawumbe nibe neyithuna nithi makulanza ukulanza ukuthi akuniyimali nje le nyawo lethusako nje out of the blue ukuthi umuntu lona ethi mangifonela umfonela nethi uba busy lapha namaceza ngishiye akalali nami ubusuku bonke asikhadilishi akufike akuniye 7,000 rand out of the blue awukazi
mara khona guy lengike ngammitha wangalayipina ake ngize ngimention eligama lakhe I met this guy I wonder ukuthi ukuphi yathi sahlangana mina naye na this other friend of mine wasithekwane bahlangana naye lo guy lo ngeva ukuthi man lo khona into lekathwele ngayo lo
ne
like vele ispirit sami vele azange simfune vele wangibhora immediately ngisathi ngene lapha emotweni nanoma angikhulumisa uyabona vele ukuthi angikho lapha
bafuna like women
I don't know angathi ukuthi because mina ngicela ngamtshela ngathi mina mangicetha kunathala ngihamba
uthengela ngelo tshwala
wasithengela tshwala wasentela konke wabhuka bese ngikho la angimathi ukuthi uyangiyela ngatatiko letindzawo
kone drobheni you mean
White River ngathi so has a view before
okay
lapha so ngeva ukuthi uyangisiza ngathi lo uyangimikisa nyali ekhaya
bakunikisa uthi wena angeke ube neshwapa uphinde ube nebuso benje uthi ngaba seswethu kahle
ngosana shema siyekele
no asivale le yilona yokugcina le siyayivala usho ukuthini mbani nobuso benje ngala kuneshwapa because I can tell you're not talking about yourself
ngiyadlala shem Maybe ngikhulumela ukuthi edle ukuthi people used to bash me out yabo ngimtimba wami yabona na wathi ngimekabi ngishwapha yabo.
So now we are reacting nyalo.
No, I'm not reacting. It just made me realize ukuthi yathi shopper sam si right.
Kahle kahle.
Yebo.
Dan
Because lobuso bami buyangilwela ukuthi
ukuthi accommodate the strap.
yebo yebo. Kuthi nana mashamlo guy angathi ngifuna umuntu leti kulo lobuso utovela bukathi shame.
Yeah.
Yabo.
But this ngisho ukuthi angeke bakunike konke. Bakunika buhle, bakunike ibunu, baceze bakuncisha ingcondo. Ayi ubeyidanda head yokugcina. Ubeyidanda head yokugcina. Besitubile yokucala sokugcina. No, sicethile ngama video ka TikTok. Ngifuna sikhulume about you. Who are you? Khulela kuphi? Environment, ikwendeni environment okhulele kuyo, yini ekumoshe kuyo, yini ekulungise kuyo, ugcina uthole kulomuntu longuye.
Okay, mina ngikhulela like kazi.
At 12-14.
Yebo. Khulele lana. Mntwana nje yabona musi.
Angibona, usibonise phela, ngiyabona ini. Awuzimana uyabona musi usho kuthini phela.
Ngimntwana emkasana walana mina.
Yeah.
Labaningi ngafundza nabo liquid.
No, ufundza liquid.
Yeah, ngafundza liquid and then town, Lofo High.
Oh, we was Lofo High.
Yeah.
2001.
2013, 2014, 2015.
Nah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's misbehave and ask the farmers like Shabana happy to feel
nina vele yo nita netikhothani every Friday.
Yeah.
Siyathi kahle vele ukuthi ko performiwe abantwana basuke estindini baye edrobheni eLofelayi beziperformela.
How was Lofelayi to you? Because iLofelayi bathi iproduce ingoma bani? Produce ko DJ, produce itsakwa. Iproduce nje into ebhedzako.
Why basho njalo?
I don't know. Basho njalo abantu abaningi. Uyaqala ukuva lokho.
Yeah, it's my first time hearing this.
Basho njalo si produce abantu abanjalo. But when if you look at your leso sikhathi useLofelayi, ubukela bo bantu ufunze nabo nyalo. Abaningi bakhona babo. Look at your first. Wena tibuka wena kuqala yourself first bese khanze ubukela abanye. Kusiwena ukuphi?
I don't know, man. I'm communicating now with the only person that
no more communicating nabanye abanye
ngiyahlangana nabo. Nje mina ngiyathi ngene. Angithingeni.
Bheke wena.
Yeah.
So how was Lofelayi to you? Benjani Lofelayi?
It was okay. Yeah.
Matriculate lapha eLofelayi?
No.
Funza isikhathi singana lo. Bakuxoshini?
Obvious.
Indaba.
Bengisbehave.
Ne.
Kakhulu.
Bongazi tomboy mara wena.
No.
Nithi bowuhlupha nje.
Bengihlupha shame. I don't know nje nami kumbe bengene stage.
Ulastile eminyaka nje.
Yeah, ngilastile 3 years old.
Ungena stage sana. Banka whatsoever. Tsene le Stone Age.
Hayi.
Uyile Stone Age wena.
Bengithatha kulwa nabo mem.
Why?
Angathi. That's why ngithi maybe bengene stage.
Buzodate nabantu abalingana nabo. Phela esingakhandi uma-date nabantu abalingana nabo bomemo bakubona ngasebancane.
Lesikhathi ngisafunzile Lofelayi shame yathi bengiyiva inkosi labo bengingajoli.
That's why ubona ingane so.
Bengisbehave. That's why bengisbehave.
Ne. Yo, isuka njani ukuthi ule na mem?
Inkinga abo member yathanda ukuprovokana yabo.
Ne.
Maybe let's take uyenda ijoke yabo ngami.
Yeah.
Especially lebe ngangifundisa Swati bekathatha ke nama jokes yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sengimchazele.
Uzungani
Ngithi awufiki lapho. And yena shambe kayikhuluma like as a joke. Mina maybe ukuthi bengikwatisa ukuthi labantwana besikolo sebayahleka yabo. Yebo sengiyaphendula.
Aish.
Yeah.
So is office.
Yeah, sengiloya ngilo.
Parents meeting. So last time bakuxoshela ini? Bakuxoshela those things.
Yebo.
Yini ngalo?
Demerits ami vele bekashabo 3000 something. Nje. Hayi kunini.
Kambe principal ngubani Khwachu ngubani? Ngubani principal wena leso sikhathi?
Bekungivandra.
So after Lovelayo waya kuphi?
ngihamba ngayo metro
Manje lapho kusemavandalini.
lapho vele angizange ngilunge
Grade bani lapho?
grade 11
Grade 11 grade 12 usemene.
angizange ngilunge vele lapho
Because lapho umuzi beniphuma ngobu9. Imetro hluphekisile abantu abebani.
imetro vele akusisikole lengingasirecommenda vele
Why?
tukabatali no akusisikole
Inzaba. Because basibani laphana niyawathenga ama-marks.
manje bajabuliswa ngilokho e-university uyofika wathenge kuma-max
Is that true?
I don't know
Sabato kusuka. Yeah, imetro no bathi hayi no akusisikole. Bathi akusisikolo. Boseswethu badliwe lapha. Labo taxi driver mase baphuma ebusuku bagcine ngaye. Wena bowuhlala eboarding ngomanjani?
bengahlala ngomthaveni
Every day. Musibofika somewhere to 11 endlini. Ngala une homework.
yes
Ngala ekseni ngo4 4:30 to 5 so vuyile. Boma ngebhasi umama staff.
behamba ngebhasi
Bengahlanye ekhayini. Bengahlanye.
bebangahlali
Abafuna ufaya staffini. Imara musibhasi beyibambelela kakhulu.
bengabambeleli
Beyingcono nestaff.
bengcono nestaff
Ukhule ekhaya nabani? Siblings, family, your background, home.
I don't want to go
Touchy.
hey
I want to know ukuthi ukhule nabani? Khona na mama na papa.
that's why I don't want to go there.
Why
I
you
don't
wanna-
want I don't want to talk about it.
About your family.
Yes.
You want to talk about yourself only.
Yes.
Why you? But you know why we put about this? Because some of the clips that went out, I think the family yellow contributor because lo munye umuntu azabona lo product lekangiyo. The family singasikhathi family background contribute.
Hayi, that's why ngithi mina ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Maybe ngizokhuluma ngayo the day ngiba ready ukuthi
Oh, no, you're
maybe
not
ngifuna ukukhuluma mara today no.
Oh, today you're not ready
Yeah,
to
I'm
talk
not.
about it. Nah. Let's talk about my training stories okugcina siyivale. Mina nge-training stories engiyibonile about Comrade Mandla Msili. This guy, we won an episode.
Yeah.
Did you watch the whole episode?
Yes.
How do you feel about that episode? Your view. Nami ngizokhuluma yami view.
I don't want to dwell much to that.
Yeah, why not? But you talk about the episode that the guy said about the experience,
I did see the thing in the clip,
Yes.
but then angifuni ukuthi sikhulume ngayo.
Ufuna sikhulume ngayo?
Ngibude crush yami ukuthi ngibani ngizokutshela mara ngeke
Oh,
ngizokutshela.
ufuna sikhulume ngeJohn.
Ngifuna ukutshela crush yami shayela.
Crush yakho
Maybe utoyibona le.
Ngibani crush yakho? Ngoba wena une girlfriend wena. Like girlfriend boyfriend by the way.
Ngiyadlala. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngenzaba yaloyana shayela.
Ingivise ebuhlungu ngiyathola
Nami ngivisile ebuhlungu shem.
Angikhoni kulala kahle. And phela isinza benamuhla bayasho ukuthi ngathi from 2013
Kanti kwendeke nini
no,
lo mfana ngathi
2023 or 24.
balwela indzaba ye-truck.
There's a lot. That's why ngiyibukelile yonke le.
Ngiyibukele yonke.
Because uyachaza lapha ukuthi isuka kuphi iya kuphi isuka kuphi iya kuphi.
And lo guy shem uthi akakhoni nekudla.
Shem ngicela bamdonethele. Yabo mina vele ngabe nginayimali bengibeka kumdonethela umdoko. Because umboni mase ka avulela umlomo. What's your training stories with Sport 5 bus strike? 5 bus strike.
Yeah, the Sport 5 bangibhora njani?
Bus strike Sport 5.
Yeah.
Bus strike lani ma cancel.
Angathi ukuthi bastrikela
Because,
ini.
bus-
Kambe bathi kunebani?
5 nale. Angathi akawuna I don't know akawuna ngalomfana wala ma 13. I don't know. Angathi. Angiyathi lo hotel ukuthi ngale khamba bani. Lo hotel beli bani ukusimpiwe ne?
21. Yeah.
Ya ngathi hotel Kamarat mama sky. Basi ngibani man wala ma 13 man. Basi ngibani konje. Eish hotel Kamarat man. Yeah, that guy. Ngathi kwine. So nyala bathi bafuna kufaka lo munye futhi. If you
Yeah, bafuna kufaka lo munye.
Yeah.
Bathi sifake emsebenzini maybe.
Hayi ba ningena uvilo singenwa ngemali kungenwa ngendlu emsebenzini.
Aha, manje induni yethu toba ready phela. Ngabe bisaka ngasangicashi.
Manje namhla angathi sikwenze kanjani
Angeke shemkosana.
Ne. So what's trending on your side?
What's trending?
March and March, what do you say about March and March? Abahambe phela.
Abahambe baseswatini, especially laba seswatini bangithuka kakhulu abahambe.
Bakuthukele manje.
Bangithukile because
Social
ngiste nabo ngibonga. Ngiste bangakhululeki kakhulu la nabo bongwane.
Hawu wena soyifaka social media ne?
Hawu yebo ngayifaka ku social media hayi bangithuke so.
Athi bathi wendeni.
Hawu bangithukela ukuthi ngibatshele ukuthi abahambi nabo.
Hayi akuva wena. So wena nje mabakuthuka vele good shot mabasi abahamba.
Abahambe vele.
Mara bona ngathi baba abakawafaka msituke ukuthi abantu bahambe bona ngathi babale.
Kude into le. Oh, what's trending? Tikolo tiyavalwa.
Okay.
Yes.
Manje nokutrenda kwesikole evani.
Tikolo tiyavalwa.
Yeah.
Abantwana bangabavakashisi abahlala nebantu ababo.
Abadala bahlala nabantu ababo.
Yebo, kuze kuyadura. Ngala uthola umntana ukuthi uyachama, ingubo nyala tisawomi.
Eish.
Ewinter phela nyalo. Badla kakhulu abanye abantwana uthola ukuthi badla kakhulu. Angeke shem vele umuntu nemuntu akahlalele nemthwalo wakhe. Nama wakama kayinzawo.
Yabona vele lenzaba impilo ethu lesithi yadura.
Ngoba vele
ya guys like ngifuna ukutshela vele nyalo sesidla kayi-1 ngelanga. Ekuseni sidla kayi-1 so
lesithi sesisidla nzambama. Hayi
nyalo futhi nokugeza sigezi kakhulu ngoba into yadura futhi kuyabanza nyalo kahle advantage.
Vele bangabavakashisi labantwana shem.
Ne.
Mina nanoma ngingaba nelikhaya angifuni vele ligoya lemuntu. Nami umntwana ngidukhulisele.
Mara baba umntwana kuyakhona ukukhula komntwana.
Yeah, ukhona.
Financial kumbe.
Yeah, ukhona.
Financial hayi yena nahlukana.
Yeah, sahlukana.
Uthini about our president longafuna uku-step down wena? I know you're not a politician, I'm also not a politician, but inzaba yakhe i-media about imali engaka sishayeke sola eSouth Africa.
Akafuna uku-step down to
Ngani phela ngani i-police vele befuna ukuthi a-step down ngoba utomthule.
This year?
No, vele besikhathi bamthola vele ngalinzaba ukuthi imali bayithole eplazini lakhe. Befuna am-step down until azasothi apha icala lakhe manje.
So yena akafuni
about the phalaphala about the mali.
Oh yeah.
The mali lebayitholile.
Sitomthini ngabe umuntu angafuni ukuphuma ubanike the deputy.
Ngani vele.
Eva bambile deputy. Sometimes ikhambelana nokuba great.
Ne.
Yeah.
So what can we expect from you this year?
This year,
Sivala.
you guys will get like my vlogs, hopefully.
We wanna do some vlogs now.
Yes.
So you got people like Labato Wenanyan, Labato shoot about when you're doing those vlogs.
Ishi athi ukuthi inkinga yami yini?
Yeah.
Inkinga yami ukuthi like i-social media ngibhora ngekuthi like maybe let's say ngihamba nge-complex yabo.
Yeah.
Ngiyahamba ngiye-route.
Yeah.
Ngithekela inyama inyosi.
Ngiyabudinga ngitaphi.
Ngithekela inyota mtete nkukhu.
Yeah.
Yena sekose bangishuthe bathi ngiyena. Yabo basebenzisa that sound ukuthi and uyena. Yeah.
So that the vlog is going to be all about content man. So sabale vele le reality.
Ay, angendivulela ama vlog lawo mina.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna be like spend the day with me. Let's go for vacation.
Yeah.
Well, this kind of vibes. It's not gonna be fake.
Yeah. Oh, but kind of fake is gonna be there.
No.
Why not?
Why?
But what makes it fake nyana?
Why should I fake something that I don't have?
Mani na wena ufuna bakushuta usengathi ngcono.
The
reality qobo.
Na.
Uyabekisa ngani?
Loko angimind lokho. Lethi ukuthi like sengiyatrenda.
No.
Uthi nangu.
Phela
uyena.
There's another gay ngimcelile many times ukushuta naye ne. Wathi ufuna imali towards yena yena le podcast le bese tulu nana ngasi ngani ngothi ubona iTikTok yakho bese tulu phela iYouTube neTikTok is different. Totally different, you understand? Yeah. So when if udla ngale it's fine for when and mawungedi ngala kimi mina ngimi is fine, you understand? So labanye abantu into le yokutrendisa into lo ngayicabanganga most of the time. You understand? Mhlambe ungena ama vlog like 30 utrendisa ngento emanqondo baqale babuyele phansi babuke lama vlog up, you understand? So when so umuntu wemangcondo every time
Mara ngiyadida mara tingcondo.
No, I'm just making an example ukuthi the thing ocabanga ukuthi ukutrendisa empilweni ngiyilo ngikutrendisa isikhathi esiningi.
Yeah.
You understand? Ngiyenda i-episode ngathi 160 something. Baningi le bengicasa ukungitrendisa that time but ongawungitrendisa. But if you do ukuthi uenda ngenhlitiyo you have a problem.
Yeah, nama ngipostela ivele ukuthi ngifuna ukuthola ama views or ma likes, I don't care.
Nah, but TikTok siyakubhadala.
Yeah, yangibhadala.
Siyakubhadala. Ucela ukubhadala
Ucela ukungibhadala ku this other video le Schwab. Yangibhadala lapho ngathola $2.
$2 is how much?
It's 32.
32 rand. Ngofaka idatha.
Yeah.
So ubona njani sobathi ukubhadala kunjani? Ubona njani sobathi ukubhadala?
Ngani uyachecka ngale balance uyangena uchecke balance.
Oh, there's balance lapha. Mina ngathi ngihlala ngiposta even.
Ubochecka maybe unethi imali.
I don't think so. Ngifunda imali ekuncane so. Mina angendeli into ukuthi ngifuna ukubhadala, ngendela into from the bottom of my heart. That's the reason ukuthi umuntu angathi yena baningi phela abantu bathi ungisponsorisa bathi ngithengela ama camera mara ngasakhulumi lo ngathi hayi ke. You understand? Because some of the sponsors abhora ngaloko ukuthi ayakulimita somewhere. Ukuthi awusakhulumi lokho awusendi lokho. Nanani kanti lento leyo wayikhuluma mhlambe ngiyo le yakutrendisa. But base ungasakhulumi sure. Ngasakhulumi ngebuzobenga. Because offender labanye abathi ngiyo lento yakutrendisa.
No noma ungaba offended, I don't care.
Ne. Oh, but nenyalo every month yakubhadala.
Yeah, yakubhadala.
How much?
Kuya ngevideo ukuthi ihambe njani.
Oh, okay.
Banginotify ukuthi le video le hithe i-gold what kunema gold what lapha ya.
So imali leningi lekile wayithola ku TikTok so much?
Now ngathi 200 and something.
Akufani you buy data for a month. I'm lying. You buy data for a month. It's better than nothing.
Yeah,
it says kuphela when ama video they are not more than 50 if I'm not mistaken. You understand? Mina I'm maningi kakhulu. But I'm complaining. So yabona ukuthi when you do something ukuthi husband so yena so holile so ugcina uya give up. Kumbe so ufuna ukuthi feature nalomuntu loyo kani lento yakho seyiphumela yini. You understand? So if you do something from the bottom of your heart and with signs and you mix a message somewhere, you figure somewhere say because ngikumbula lesidlala ibhora ne labantu besiboboleka amakhopho bebede amakhopho ale be blind ukuthi sinamakhopho asinalutho
akunalutho
we got nothing. You understand? But last not least we see Varasting.
Thank you for having me as a guest.
I wish one day we could host Nechwala because I can tell there's something that you hide down. But I know alcohol is gonna take you out of
next time in
there.
Next time in Booyah. Like not actual. End of.
No, end of.
Yeah, end of.
Yeah.
And the Booyah end of. And then Masbuya.
Yeah.
I think it's stohlala sicabanga nge-topic ukuthi sizokhuluma ngani, what's trending. I think kose ube udwele much kutinto letiyendekalako la in-Nelspruit, yabo?
Yeah, no problem, yeah. Yeah, no, today being interested about your work, what you're doing in TikTok, you understand? That's the reason being schoolman about those things, you understand? Yeah.
So end of Mangbuya.
Yeah. Yeah. Remix.
Yeah, ngibe nginawo ama-topic ngizokuhlekisa.
Yeah, go. So, aren't you thinking of going to YouTube? I never thought of YouTube.
No.
Nah. Why not?
I don't know.
So when are you starting a vlog? Because I think the one day, I think we'll cut it soon before we tell a show again.
Yeah.
You're not sure?
This week, this week, but yeah, this week. By next week, end of.
Yeah.
So it's like next week Saturday.
No problem.
Yeah, Saturday
or Thursday, whatsoever, it's fine. Yeah.
Can be Saturday.
Yeah. Nah.
Yeah. So we send Tally by next week.
Yeah. No. Thanks a lot. Word of the day, lofuna advisor ona la labangana confidence towards themselves. What can you say in closing? La bangathi thembi ukuthi uyadidawutha usagcoke sona ngenxa ukuthi umtimba wakhe whatsoever nanani kumune bulubuso bwenje lubalabona bathume kahle whatsoever nanani bathethi saba nanani What can you say to those people? Last words in closing.
Word of the day.
What's the word of the day?
Be yourself.
Yeah. No matter what.
Yes. Nanoma ungafa kude umuntu otokuphilela lempilo. Yeah, so.
Yeah, no say bad.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, Gacetshwayo.